Starting a rental business can be a smart way to build recurring income, because one asset can earn money many times. But a rental business is not just about owning something and giving it out for money. To succeed, you need a system. You need the right niche, the right customers, the right pricing, good agreements, proper tracking, and strong customer service. In this video, we will walk through how to start a rental business step by step in a simple and practical way. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Let us begin. Step 1. Choose a profitable rental business niche. You have to decide what you want to rent out. This could be property, vehicles, equipment, event supplies, fashion items, baby products, furniture, technology gadgets, or tools. Do not choose a niche only because it sounds profitable. Choose a niche because people in your market need it, can pay for it, and are likely to rent it again and again. For example, if you live near universities, student housing, furniture rental or laptop rental may make sense. If you live in a tourist area, vacation rentals, bicycle rentals, boat rentals or car rentals may work. If your area has many events, tents, chairs, decor and audio-visual equipment may be good options. Start with one category. Learn it well. Understand the customers. Build a proper system. Then you can expand later. Step 2. Research your target market. Market research simply means checking before spending money. You need to know if people actually want to rent what you plan to offer. Ask questions like, who needs this item? How often do they need it? What are they currently paying? Who are the competitors? What are customers complaining about? Is demand seasonal or steady? This step protects you from guessing. A rental business that works well in one city may fail in another city. A bicycle rental business may work in a tourist area, but fail in a place where people do not cycle. A party rental business may grow fast where people celebrate often, but struggle where demand is weak. Look for underserved niches. Sometimes, a specialized rental business can perform better than a general one, because it solves a clear problem for a clear group of people. Step 3. Create a simple rental business plan. Your plan does not need to be complicated. It just needs to show you how the business will work. Write down your niche, target customers, startup cost, pricing model, marketing plan, expected revenue, maintenance plan, and growth plan. For example, if you want to start a party supplies rental business, your plan should show the items you will buy first, how much each one costs, how much you will charge per rental, how you will deliver them, how you will clean them, and how many bookings you need monthly to make profit. A business plan helps you see the numbers before you start. It also helps you avoid spending money emotionally. Step 4. Register the business and get the right licenses. A rental business should be treated as a real business, not a casual side activity. Registration helps you look professional, open business accounts, sign contracts, and build trust with customers. Depending on your location and niche, you may also need licenses or permits. For example, property rentals may need housing or short-let approval. Vehicle rentals may need commercial vehicle permits and insurance. Drone rentals may require aviation-related approval. Medical equipment rental may need healthcare compliance. Boat rentals may need marine permits. Heavy equipment rental may need safety and operator compliance. Always check the rules in your location before you start. This protects you from fines, shutdowns, and legal problems. Step 5. Buy or lease the right rental assets. Your assets are the items customers will pay to use. This can be cars, chairs, cameras, tools, furniture, clothes, gadgets, machines, or property. Do not buy weak items because they are cheap. In rental business, your items will be used by many people. They must be durable, easy to maintain, and suitable for repeated use. You do not need to buy everything at once. Start with the items people are most likely to rent. Test the demand. Watch what customers ask for. Then buy more based on real bookings. If buying is too expensive, you can lease assets, partner with asset owners, or start a peer-to-peer rental model, where other people list their assets through your platform. The goal is to start wisely, not to start heavily. Step 6. Get insurance and legal protection. Rental businesses carry risk because customers are using assets that belong to you. Items can be damaged, stolen, returned late, or misused. That is why you need clear rental agreements. Your agreement should explain the rental period, payment terms, deposits, damage policy, late return fees, cancellation rules, and customer responsibility. For higher-risk businesses, you should also get insurance. This is very important for cars, boats, drones, medical equipment, construction equipment, jewelry, property, and expensive gadgets. Do not depend only on trust. Trust is good, but clear agreements and insurance protect the business when things go wrong. Step 7. Set your rental pricing properly. Pricing is one of the most important parts of a rental business. Do not just copy another business. Do not charge too low because you want quick customers. Your price must cover your real costs. This includes maintenance, cleaning, repairs, delivery, storage, insurance, marketing, payment charges, taxes, and profit. You can price by the hour, day, week, month, or subscription, depending on what you rent. Tools and event items may work well with hourly or daily pricing. Cars and equipment may use daily or weekly pricing. Furniture and tech gadgets may work with monthly plans. Luxury items may need premium pricing. Remember this. Customers do not only pay for the item. They also pay for convenience, reliability, quality, and peace of mind. Step 8. Build a booking and payment system. Customers should not struggle to rent from you. They should be able to check availability, understand the price, book the item, pay, and receive confirmation without confusion. At the beginning, you can use a simple website, WhatsApp, online forms, payment links, or marketplace platforms. As the business grows, you can use rental booking software to manage reservations, scheduling, inventory, and payments. A good booking system prevents double bookings. It also makes the business look professional and helps customers trust you faster. Step 9. Set up inventory and asset management. You must always know where your assets are. What is available? What has been rented out? Who rented it? When should it return? What needs cleaning? What needs repair? What needs replacement? If you do not track these things, the business can lose money quietly. Start with a spreadsheet if the business is small. As you grow, use inventory management software. You can also label items, take photos before and after rentals, keep maintenance records and create inspection checklists. Your assets are the heart of the business. If you do not manage them well, profit will disappear. Step 10. Market the rental business. Even if your rental business is excellent, people must know it exists. Use Google Business Profile so local customers can find you. Use social media to show your items clearly. Use SEO and content marketing if people search online for your service. Use referrals to encourage customers to recommend you. Use partnerships with businesses that already serve your target customers. For example, if you rent wedding decor, partner with wedding planners, makeup artists, photographers and venues. If you rent tools, connect with builders, repair workers and contractors. If you rent baby equipment, connect with hotels, travel agents and parenting communities. Use strong photos, simple videos, customer reviews and clear explanations. People rent faster when they can see what they are getting and trust the business behind it. Step 11. Use tools and software to run the business better. You do not have to do everything manually forever. Booking software can help you manage reservations. Inventory software can help you track assets. Payment platforms can help you collect money. CRM tools can help you manage customer relationships. Accounting software can help you track income, expenses and profit. Digital signature tools can help you manage contracts. For vehicle or equipment rentals, GPS tracking can also help you monitor location. Start with what you can afford, but build a system from the beginning. Technology helps you reduce mistakes, save time and serve customers better. Step 12. Deliver excellent customer service. Rental businesses grow when customers trust you and come back. Reply quickly. Explain your prices clearly. Deliver on time. Keep items clean. Make payments simple. Solve problems calmly. Follow up after rentals. Ask for reviews. A customer who enjoys renting from you can return many times and refer others. In rental business, trust is money. If customers feel safe with you, they are more likely to book again. Step 13. Track performance and improve. Monitor your bookings, revenue, expenses, maintenance costs, customer complaints and customer reviews. Know which items rent the most. Know which items bring the best profit. Know which items keep breaking. Know which customers come back. Use this information to make better decisions. Remove weak assets. Add high-demand items. Improve your pricing. Strengthen your agreements. Upgrade your marketing. Train your team. Improve delivery and customer support. A rental business becomes stronger when the owner pays attention. Starting a rental business is not only about buying items and waiting for customers. It is about building a simple system that works. Choose the right niche. Research your market. Plan properly. Register the business. Buy or lease quality assets. Protect yourself with agreements and insurance. Price correctly. Make booking easy. Track your inventory. Market consistently. Serve customers well. Keep improving. When you do these things, your rental business has a better chance of becoming profitable and sustainable. To read the full guide and explore 35 rental business ideas, visit Entrepreneurs.ng. Subscribe to this channel, follow Entrepreneurs.ng, and keep building with clarity. At Entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out at contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on Entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. See you in the next video. We are always rooting for you.